Kavourotripes Beach is especially popular among the variety of beach resorts of Sithonia. This is one of the most unusual corners of Sithonia, with an extraordinary combination of natural colors, crystal clear water of a gentle turquoise hue, white sand and bright greenery of the surrounding pine trees amaze the imagination and attract tourists, like a magnet. Kavourotripes is actually not one beach, but several coves of different sizes, among which there are both organized beaches and more secluded places. If you have chosen a remote cove, you can feel the harmony with nature. Otherwise, enjoy a fun holiday on the main beach Portokali, that is also called Orange Beach, which offers everything you need to relax by the sea.